Hi, Britt David Kindergarten parents. This tutorial will show you how to access the Start Early Literacy Test for your kindergartner. This test helps us identify a student's strengths and weaknesses while the child transitions from a non-reader to a reader. It also helps us with the data. We use it to help plan appropriate instruction to better serve your child. So please do not assist your child in any way. If they ask you a question about something on the quiz, tell them they will have to give it their very best guess. We need accurate data on your child. First thing you're going to do is access the Clever page. And there might be some information in here that's extra because this is my page as an educator. But what you're going to look for is this Renaissance Learning right here. You're going to click on it, and it's going to bump you over. And then I'm going to come in here. This is what your page will look like. Okay. So it might ask you to reset your password. So I'm going to need you to reset it to initpass, INITPASS, no space. So I'm almost positive it's going to ask you to reset your password when you try to log into Renaissance. So right here is Start Early Literacy, and you're going to choose that, and then there should be a Start Test. I'm not pulling it up right now for you, but that's what you do. So Start Early Literacy. It is an oral test, so the child will need a headset or someplace where they won't be disturbed or won't disturb you if they're not using a headset. Again, please don't assist your child while they take this test so we can get some accurate data so we can better serve your child.